Quick, easy and effective Dimples Face and Body Wax Strips will give you the confidence of smooth, sleek skin in the comfort of your own home, and the results will last up to 6 weeks. Always read the instructions and warnings carefully before use. When using the product for the first time, it is strongly advised to carry out a patch test on a small area of skin 24 hours before use. Ensure the area to be treated is clean, dry and free from oils and lotions, and that the unwanted hair is at least 3 to 4 mm long. Then simply rub the wax strip between your hands for 20 to 30 seconds to warm the wax, before slowly separating the wax strips. Place the spare strip aside until it is needed, or fold in half to save for later use. Firmly place a strip on the skin in the direction of hair growth and smooth by rubbing it repeatedly. Immediately pull the strip quickly and forcefully in the opposite direction to hair growth, from ankle to knee, keeping the skin taut to avoid discomfort. When you have finished waxing, remove any remaining wax with baby oil for a perfect finish. Never use water or alcohol to remove wax residue. Then simply tear open the post-wax sachet and apply the contents to waxed skin. To find out more, head to the Dimples website.